due to popular demand, I've got him agreed to come here and try Indian snacks.
Wow.
Alright, so first thing we're gonna try is aloo bhujia. This is spicy potato noodles.
Spicy potato noodles.
Yeah.
So I can eat this raw.
You can eat this raw, yeah. You can have it as a snack when you watch a film.
Okay, so it's not something you cook.
Right.
Well, I'll let you eat first.
No, I've had it anyway. So
okay.
Right.
I just making sure you're not poisoning me. Okay.
What do you think?
That's pretty good.
But would you have it?
As a snack, yeah. Jeez. Yeah. I like this. It's not super spicy as well.
But you can basically have this with other things as well. There are like so many snacks like pani puri and all that in India.